Okay, well, we got it all dug out. So, from the garage over, we dug it out. Okay, first took the siding off here. Put the landscaping ties up. Landscaped out a little bit. Evened it up with the shell. Dug the holes for the beam that's going to go out here. So, this is going to be about an 8-foot building. Just enough to hopefully put my weight and stuff in here. I don't have a whole lot, but enough that I can actually organize it and have a decent weightlifting place, I hope. But a lot of dirt came out of here. Actually, we took it down to, I don't know if you can see it or not, down on the other side of the creek there, by the mailbox, on the other side there as well. I'm burning the cement bags there. So, but anyhow, that's where we're at. So we'll stop right there as far as video here at this point. Hopefully next time a video we'll have the floor on. So we'll see. We've got to lay the beams, figure out the best way to connect over here to the wall. I'm not sure yet. And lay the floor down. So once we get that, we'll be able to go pretty good. So there we go. That's it. Okay, so what we did here, okay, we got our railroad ties up. Okay, we're building out with 2x6s here. Okay, now so we made the beam, put 3 of them together, laminated 3 2x6s together, set them on the pillars I poured, bolted them down. Okay, we've got a stringer back here. Now, on that stringer, it's free hanging. In other words, there's no concrete under it. What I used was these type of, I don't know if you can see it or not. These are these construction screws. I forget exactly what you call them. They're called structural screws, I believe. But they're nice. I mean, they really grip. So screwed them every 16 inches into the seal and into the 2x4 frame to hold that up. But anyhow, so we got the 2x6. We got the hangers up. Put the 2x6s in. What I'm doing is I'm putting some center braces in to keep them from twisting. Putting some little bit of insulation here. It's not a lot of R value, but 2 reasons here. One, to insulate the floor a little bit, but also 2, I'm putting the OSB board on, so I don't want moisture coming up underneath and getting on the bottom of the OSB to where it might make it swell or mushy or whatever over time. So that'll keep the moisture off of it as well. Keep a little barrier in there. Okay, so we'll go out here with that. We're going to go with the 3 or 7/8 inch OSB board on top here. So that will be next here. Okay, that's where we're at. Okay, we got most of this framed up here. We got all the roof joists on. We got the plywood on. Went with 5/8 inch OSB board. About shocked when I seen the price of it, but hey, what are you gonna do? Okay, so anyhow, we got that. Like I said, we got everything framed up here pretty good. And what we got is the sheeting on here. We got the felt paper down, just starting to lay shingles here. So we'll see how it goes. I might replace the whole roof up there. See how the money holds out here. With the COVID going on and all that kind of stuff, just really running the lumber prices up. Fortunately, I had a lot of lumber laying around, which really helped me. But yeah, it's turned into a little more money than what I anticipated. But anyhow, that's where we're at. Well, this is just a quick view here of the pretty much finished product here. Starting to move some stuff in, get the carpet down, paint's all done, lights are up, receptacles are in. It's just starting to move things in. Okay. Got this carpet, 2x2 panels. I got it at Ollie's for $1.89 a piece. That's about the cheapest thing I could get. Eventually I want to put that 3/4 inch stall mats, rubber mats over top of this. So this was just really just something to get me going. So now we're starting to fill it up here with the gym equipment. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, I just wanted to show you the end product here. Now, this is some of the equipment I got, and I just got this rack here from Body Solid. I think you can see it there. Really like it. I'm going to give a review on that here, I think, one of these days. But I really like that part of as far as equipment for this mini gym. This is my mini gym. See there, I got my TV up there, more to watch recordings and things. Got a pec deck here that I've had for years. It's old, but it works really nice. So got that in here. And what I did over here, I'm going to show you here just real quick here on the Body Solid on the rack. On the back of the rack, actually there's an attachment. It's a lat attachment, but I put some eye bolts in there, and I set it up for cables, top, bottom, and I put some cable for the middle as well, eye bolts. Now I'll demonstrate that one of these days. Let me see here. Right here, this is going to be my curl bar, easy bar. Little area here. I like to do a lot of calisthenics. I'm big into calisthenics, so I like to do more than anything else. And so just enough area here that I can do that. Over here I have my treadmill and my elliptical. Back there I have the bike, exercise bike. Here in the corner is my little desk. I do a weekly radio program, so that's where I'm going to do that, and also do some things for YouTube, mostly ministry. Refrigerator down here. Okay, I got my tools there. Still have some work to do. Certificates up here. This is mostly from all my self-defense training. All this over here on this wall. That's what that is. Then this is my educational certificates, and some just others over here. And those are going a little fast here. But this is all my. I was big into running there for about 20 years, for a long time. So as you can see, it's all the races I actually did place in. Ran a lot more races, just didn't place in all of them. But did okay. Okay, so this is the mini gym. This is, hopefully we can update as we go. I'd like to get a smaller, someday get a smaller treadmill, a smaller elliptical. So create more space here so I can put some other actually weight equipment in here. So that's pretty much the final product for now. So I'm anxious just to get started, get working out, and bring you guys some good exercise videos, and also to bring you some other just some programs as far as spiritual things as well. So that's what that's all about. But anyhow, there we go. Thanks for watching.